YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a two unboxing video with two boxes. One is from a friend, the Kawaii Arcade Master Nancy. She helped me to bought some lottery items, and then one is the Toreba online cranking unboxing video. So I'm gonna start with the lottery, which is the Kirby lottery, and of course this is actually a really great lottery. So the first thing she sent me was some of the jewel that she win. Ooh, I dropped it from the jewel game. As you guys can see, I just dropped another heart one, which is really cute. Thank you, Nancy. And then the first item, as you can see, is a really big plushie. I don't even know how she fit in this box, but look at this. This is a giant Kirby plush. Oh my god, this is huge. I really don't know how she fit it in, but it did. Okay, so this is the A price Kirby plush. Very cool. Thank you, Nancy. Oh my god. And then in this box I also have got, see, she sent me little cute notes. And in this box I also got some of the charm from the lottery. So I have one like this and two this one. Charm, very cute, as you can see. So this is four prices, and then another price is a towel that looks like this. And then and then here it has a cup from the lottery. Let me see if I can open the cup. Oh my god. Let's see how the cup looks like. Ah. Okay, so it's actually pretty big cups. Let me see. Yeah, so the another price is a cup, which is really cute. Actually, really cute cups. And then I also get a small plate. So I bought 6 prizes, and these are all the prices come in. So it's a blind box, I believe, one of those, and I think I really like this one. So I don't know if I can open that up. Let me see. Let me try to open it up. I'll be right back. Oh. Oh, wow, they wrapped it up really good. Oh, okay, so if you guys can see, oh, I just covered the screen. If you guys can see, this is the plate that I get, which is really cute. Yeah, matches my charm. And then I also asked her to got me a few other things, and she got me, what is this? I don't even remember. Oh, so I also purchased a keychain from her. This is the like a donut Minnie Mouse keychain, which is cute. And then she also have some of the limited edition pen set for sale. So I bought these from her. And then she also have a gachapon for sale, which is a slot machine. It's a Piju slot machine. So I think you need a sample for the, oh. Yeah, oh, I can see it's a Piju. Yeah, so it's a Piju slot machine that you need to assemble it. And so that's about the box. And then let's see my Toreba unboxing. So the first item you can see here is a really huge cushion. This is a cat palm or cat hand cushion. Really soft, really squishy, really soft. Really cute cushion. And then next item here are the coupon skit, which is the Belle wedding coupon skit. And as you can see, I got A's and B's. Very pretty. Next item is actually, it's actually two of these permanent massage, like a bag or something. Yeah, it's a bag. So I got two of those permanent bags. And then next item here is a figurine, which is the Dragon Ball Bomar figurine. Very cool. This is the bee, which has the purple color here. I think the purple color here is really pretty. And then next item is a backpack, Pikachu backpack, black and white. I think these are fun. I also have one that was with the color, but I think the black and white is also really awesome too. I just love backpack and Pikachu, so I think that's perfect combination. And then next item here is another backpack, but it's the Mickey and Minnie. Well, this is Minnie actually. Mini backpack, squishy backpack, and as you can see, it was really cute. And next item here is a Pokemon plush. Wow, I'm getting so many stuff. Next item is a Miss Bunny keychain mascara. And then in this box, I got a big toe from Sesame Street. As you can see, very cute. And oh, look at this. This is very inappropriate picture. I don't know, touching his butt. I don't know. It's very cute. It's very cute bag. And then last, but wait, that's not last, but okay, here you go. Here's a falling angel from Love Life figurine. Very cool. This is actually a huge box. And then the last item in the box is a little planter from Kiki, the delivery. So that is everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And this is the August 2018 part 3 video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.